Is your facility ready to handle unexpected threats, or are you leaving yourself open to costly surprises? My name is Felicia Liu, and I am a registered SQF consultant helping businesses with their SQF program compliance. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of food safety, mock food defense scenarios. Specifically, what should you do if an unknown object is found within your facility? First, stay calm but alert. An unknown object could be anything from harmless to hazardous. The key is a swift, organized response. Gather your core team and initiate your food defense protocol immediately. Inspect the object without touching it, evaluate its size, shape, and any identifying markings from a safe distance. Use your surveillance systems to backtrack, to understand how it got there. Reviewing CCTV footage is essential to pinpoint the entry time and potential accomplices. Communicate with your team promptly. Ensure everyone knows the safety procedures in place to prevent further contamination or threats. Informing your employees and keeping them vigilant is crucial, but it's also about maintaining their calm. Engage your food defense plan. Isolate the area to avoid spreading contamination and maintain safety. Ensure that your documentation is thorough, updating all relevant logs and reports for accountability and traceability. This mock scenario gives valuable insights into your security measures' effectiveness and potential gaps. But why navigate these complex waters alone? An SQF consultant like us can guide you through creating and refining robust food defense strategies that meet all SQF requirements. Avoid costly mistakes and strengthen your defense by booking a strategy call with us. Let our expertise protect your operations' integrity, ensuring compliance and peace of mind. Call us at 1-236-513-2488 to fortify your SQF food safety measures today.